stop out here now. And what you said, time I am taking some food, you can't. I'm going home. I'll take care of the whole thing that means. I'm going to be able to do nothing. Getting behind ass. We're going right back now. That would happen. Fuck that, that's coming. Big fuck that, I guess.
There we are.
Coming in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Your shit's gonna pay fast. I could put all that on there. And I bring up 615, have 2 more.
This is Harold Washington Library, State and Van Buren. Transfer to red, blue, and brown line trains at Harold Washington Library, State and Van Buren. This is an orange line train to Midway.
Get this power. Until all that. I should don't get mad.
Doors closing. LaSalle and Van Buren is next. Doors open on the right at LaSalle and Van Buren. Transfer to Metro trains at LaSalle and Van Buren. This is LaSalle and Van Buren.
No.
Transfer to Metro trains at LaSalle and Van Buren. This is an orange line train to Midway.
Answer it. Hello.
Doors closing. Quincy is next. Doors open on the right at Quincy. Transfer to Metra and Amtrak trains at Quincy. This is Quincy. Transfer to Metra and Amtrak trains at Quincy. This is an orange line train to Midway. Doors closing. Washington and Wells is next. Doors open on the right at Washington and Wells. Transfer to Pink Line and Metro trains at Washington and Wells. This is Washington and Wells. Transfer to Pink Line and Metro trains at Washington and Wells. This is an orange line train to Midway. Transfer to green, blue, and brown line trains at Clark and Lake.
We're getting off Clark and Lake. And Washington.
This is Clark and Lake. Transfer to green, blue, and brown line trains at Clark and Lake. This is an orange line train to Midway. Transfer to red line trains at State and Lake. This is State and Lake. Transfer to red line trains at State and Lake. This is an orange line train to Midway. Doors closing. Randolph and Wabash is next. Doors open on the right at Randolph and Wabash. Transfer to Metra and South Shore trains at Randolph and Wabash. This is Randolph and Wabash. Transfer to Metra and South Shore trains at Randolph and Wabash. This is an orange line train to Midway. Doors closing. Madison and Wabash is next. Doors open on the right at Madison and Wabash.